Matuto agad mag-English gamit ang was at were na pang nakaraan. Ako ay nandoon noon. I was there. Ikaw ay nandoon noon. You were there. Tayo ay o kaya kami ay nandoon noon. They were there. Siya ay nandoon noon. He was there. O kaya she was there. He panlalaki, she pambabae. Si Mario ay nandoon noon. Mario was there. Sina Mario at Luigi ay nandoon noon. Mario and Luigi were there.